Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is DiscoCurlstv. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 10 drugstore products for fine curly hair that I've found for under $10. I'm long overdue from the last drugstore video I did for you all, but I really wanted to update you for 2018. All of these products I purchased myself from Ulta, but you can find them at many other drugstore retailers. I've spent the last couple of weeks trying these out and I definitely think I've found a few winners, so if you'd like to see what these are, just keep watching. The first two drugstore products are by OGX, and these are from the Biotin and Collagen collection, which is designed to create thicker and fuller appearing strands. The shampoo and conditioner are sulfate free and contain vitamin B7, collagen, and wheat protein. I'm not too fond of the scent on these, but I do feel like the shampoo really helped clean my scalp and the conditioner provided moisture and enough slip. I actually ordered the normal size on Ulta for $7.99 a piece, and I was shipped the jumbo size. It just says 50% more free. So for the price, I think it's an excellent value. Next on my list is the OGX Pomegranate and Ginger Scalp Toner. Now this OGX product smells really good and contains pomegranate and ginger extracts. The way you use this is to take off the cap, and on freshly cleansed hair, you're going to, section your hair off and spritz it directly into the scalp and then follow up with the massage. This is a product that you do not have to rinse out. It just helps to remove residue and buildup, and you guys know how much I love a clean scalp, so I just love the idea of this, and this is also $7.99. Yet another product from OGX, but I promise this is the last one. This is the Locking Plus Coconut Curls Decadent Creamy Mousse. I'm a huge fan of mousses because of the volume they provide, but this one is non-crunchy and provides a lot of moisture to my hair. This contains coconut oil and shea butter, which are typically no-nos in my hair, but for whatever reason, this formula works for me. This is actually what I used in my hair yesterday with a leave-in detangler that I'm going to talk about next, and I got this product for $8.99. The next products are by Not Your Mother's Naturals. This is the Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter Curl Defining Detangler and Combing Cream. I've been wanting to try this brand for a really long time, but when I saw that they have a natural collection, I immediately picked these up. These are free of sulfates, silicones, phthalates, parabens, gluten, and synthetic dyes. The Curl Defining Detangler has amazing slip and is great as a leave-in conditioner. I don't find this to be heavy at all, which is great for fine textures, and the scent on this is incredible. I was really drawn to the combing cream because I've never tried a combing cream before. The way I've been using this is to apply the detangler to freshly washed hair, and then I would add a few pumps of the combing cream to my ends, working it up to the roots. Using a wide tooth comb, I distribute the rest of the product through, scrunch, and then let it air dry. And let me just tell you, this is my new favorite drugstore combo. My curls were so tight, so shiny, so defined, and I also had a little bit of volume there, and they were only $8.99 each. The next two products are from Hask, and this is the Coconut Milk and Organic Honey Curl Enhancing Lotion and the Biotin Boost Thickening Cream. You guys, I think I may have found a replacement and my new holy grail thickening cream. I don't want to quote it too early, but this is something else. Besides the last two products I tried from Not Your Mother's, this is the product I am most excited about. I've tried Sammy Fat Hair, which was great but contained parabens. I've tried the Inner Sense Whipped Cream Texturizer, which was organic and pure but a bit pricey, and this one, $7.99. This contains biotin, collagen, and coffee, and I think for finer textures that don't like a thicker paste, you will probably love this. My curls look just as good as when I use the Sammy Fat Hair, and it doesn't contain parabens. The Coconut Milk and Organic Honey Curl Enhancing Lotion is a smooth formula that provided definition and hydration for me. It contains something called Memory Curl Complex that helps keep the curls frizz-free, and I do find that to be true. I don't necessarily think this will help with volume, but if you like just shiny and defined curls, then you can get this for $7.99. The last two products are by Maui Moisture, and they are from the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter collection. The first is the hair mask made for dry, damaged hair, and the other is the Detangling Leavein. I used the hair mask a few days ago because my hair was feeling really dry and brittle, and I really enjoyed the way this made my curls feel restored. It does say on here that it mends split ends, and I would say that that's an accurate statement. This is another brand that doesn't contain silicones, parabens, gluten, sulfates, or dyes, and what makes them unique is that they use aloe juice as their first ingredient. and this was $8.99. Again, I typically stay away from heavy oils and butters, but I'm experimenting here and I think that you just have to figure out the way it works for you. The Detangling Leavein is a cream formula, and because of the ingredients, I did use a smaller amount. I found that if I don't use a lot of this, it's fine as my leave-in conditioner, but if your hair is a finer texture than mine, you might prefer a spray leave-in conditioner. This is also $8.99. So just to quickly review, my top 3 favorite products from this review are the Not Your Mother's Naturals, Combing Cream and Curl Defining Detangler, and the Hask Biotin Boost Thickening Cream. I really like the Maui Moisture products, especially the hair mask, and the OGX products work fine and provide a great value. I really hope this video helps many of you that want to use quality curl products that don't break the bank. If you'd like me to do a tutorial on any of these products, just let me know down below in the comments, and also let me know if you've tried any of these. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.